In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Clipchamp's text-to-speech feature. This tool allows you to generate voiceovers from text effortlessly, adding a professional touch to your videos. Let's dive right in. First, open your preferred browser and navigate to Clipchamp.com. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to log in. Simply click on the sign in button at the top right corner of the page. For convenience, you can use the Continue with Microsoft option, which will prompt you to select your Microsoft account. This seamless integration makes managing your projects easy, especially if you use other Microsoft services. Once you're logged into your account, you'll be directed to the Clipchamp homepage. Here, you'll notice various options to start your project, but for our purpose, go ahead and click on Create a New Video. This will launch the Clipchamp editor, where all the magic happens. Now it's time to bring your media into Clipchamp. Click on the Import Media button, which will allow you to upload your clips, images, or any other assets you might need. You can import your files directly from your computer, or drag and drop them into the workspace, whatever works best for you. With your media loaded in, the next step is to generate the text-to-speech audio. Head to the toolbar and select Record and Create. Among the options, you'll find Text-to-Speech. Clicking on this will present a right-hand sidebar where you'll set up your voiceover. In this sidebar, you have the flexibility to customize the voice. Start by selecting the language and voice that fits the style of your video. Clipchamp offers a diverse range of voices and accents, so take your time to find one that resonates with your content's tone. To add a personal touch, click on Advanced. Here you can select an emotion for the voice. Whether you want it to sound cheerful, serious, or sad, there's an emotion to match your script's mood. You can also adjust the vocal pitch. A higher pitch might be suitable for a lively narrative, while a lower one can add gravity to a more formal piece. Now it's time to add the text. Simply type in your script in the provided text box. Ensure it's free of errors to avoid any awkward pauses or mispronunciations. Once your text is in place, you can click on Save. The tool will process your text and generate the audio clip for you. There you have it, a step-by-step guide to using Clipchamp's text-to-speech feature. With these simple steps, you can create engaging, voice-led videos that captivate your audience. Thank you for watching, and happy editing.